Hello, this is Miss Sanabria. I am showing you how to complete this week's lab. You go into your Smart Science website. You use your login and password. We're completing the simple graphs lab. And you are first going to go into the right side right here. This is what I call the hamburger. The hamburger, you're going to look at the goals. These are all the goals for this lab. And then you are going to go back into the Google Doc and answer that part 1 question. What are the 2 goals? And then you're going to go back into the website. You're going to go right here. You're going to look at a couple of these tabs here. You're going to click on procedure. You're going to click on procedure. You're going to read the procedure and the information. Okay. Then under scientists, you're going to read about Katherine Johnson. You're going to go back into the Google Doc. See in the tab, it said read the procedure. I already did that. I'm up to part 2. What is Katherine Johnson known for? I'm going to type it there. I'm going to go back and review the vocabulary words for this lab, which is right there. Once I do that, now I am ready to begin my lab. Make sure you close out this window right here. If you don't close out the window, it's not going to let you move further. Okay, so I'm going to click close. And then under engage, I'm going to click on engage right here. Once I click on engage, you get this new window pop up. You're going to read it and take your pre-quiz. Okay, once you take your pre-quiz, then you're going to move to the Explore tab right here. Make sure you close out this window before you click Explore. Once you click Explore, you're going to get a hypothesis that's going to come up here. You're going to click on one of your hypotheses, and then you're going to click on one of these. The experiment is about motion, so it's walking, jogging, running, somebody on a skateboard skating, and somebody riding a bike. And this lab is actually pretty fun. So when you click on walk, you're going to see the video play, person walking by, and then it says click on top of the walking person's head in each frame and then press enter. So I'm just clicking on the person's head and I'm pressing enter. And you could see that as I'm doing it, I'm going to do it right here, zoom out a little bit. You can see that is actually graphing it also. Okay, so once I finish the walking, I repeat the same thing for the jogging, the running, the skating, and the bike. Once I do that, I'm ready for evaluate, which is my post quiz. I'm going to read these questions. I already did it. And then I'm ready to explain. For your explain, make sure that you write about what you did in the experiment. What is the lab about? You do it in this area right here. What are the steps and the materials that you needed for the lab right here? And the cool thing about it is be sure to use your graph. In your graph, if you click on all, you can see right here, this is all. This is walking. Look, I'm clicking on walking. I'm clicking on all. Then I'm clicking on red is jogging. Sorry, blue is jogging, red is running, gray is skateboarding, and purple is bike riding. But I want to see all of them. All of them is actually going to help you actually even before you do the explain. If you actually click on all during evaluate, it will help you with the quiz. So when you click on evaluate, make sure you click on all, okay? And then explain and then submit. You do not have to do the extent, but make sure that you also submit this completed Google Docs to me with the answers. It says the walking data, is the slope increasing, decreasing, or staying the same, and explain. So you have to do that for the walking, the jogging, the running, the skating, and the bike riding. Then you submit this when this is complete. Okay? So once you've submitted the Google Doc, once you have completed all your 4 E's, which is engage, explore, evaluate, and explain, you can submit it. You do not have to do the extend activity. Have a great day. Bye-bye.